In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail and Google account on your laptop or PC quickly and easily. Setting up your own Gmail account not only gives you access to a reliable email service, but it also opens a door to all Google services, including Google Drive, YouTube, Google Calendar, and more. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional account ready to use across all Google platforms. To start, open your web browser and go to the Google sign-in page. If you aren't already signed in, you'll see a clear option to create a new account. Click on Create Account and you'll be prompted to select the type of account you want. You can choose personal use, for your child, or for work and business purposes. Select the option that best fits your needs. Next, enter your first and last name. It's important to use your real name so your account reflects your true identity, which can be helpful for professional or personal communication. After entering your name, click Next. You'll then be asked to provide your birth date and gender. Google uses this information mainly for security, age verification, and account recovery purposes, so ensure the details are accurate. Now it's time to pick a username. This will be your new Gmail address, so choose something you'll be comfortable sharing. After selecting a unique username, click Next. Then, set a strong password. It should be memorable yet secure, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once done, click Next. Google may ask you to verify your account via a code sent to your phone or another email. This step confirms your identity and prevents bots from creating accounts. You can information such as a backup email or phone number, which is very useful if you forget your password in the future. Next, review and agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. These documents outline your rights and the rules for using Google services, so it's worth taking a moment to understand them. Finally, follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete your account setup. And that's it. Your Gmail and Google account is now ready. You can send emails, store files on Google Drive, access YouTube, and use countless other Google tools. Congratulations on joining millions of users worldwide who rely on Google's ecosystem for work, school, and personal use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring all the services your new account provides. Happy password managing.